let's look how Marts and Dana will show us a slow foxtrot gold level routine with teaching count. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with open impetus, noticed man's heel turn, and from promenade we dance feather ending, continued by Fallaway reverse slip pivot, then open Telemark, noticed lady's heel turn, from promenade we dance open natural turn, and open impetus with man's heel turn, and we continue with natural weave from promenade position, which is turning first to right and then to left. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So we take close hold, man is backing line of dance, and we start with open impetus. We finish promenade position diagonally to center and dance feather ending diagonally to center, then follow a reverse slip pivot down line of dance, open telemark down line of dance, and we finish diagonally to wall. From here we dance open natural turn diagonally into corner and open impetus turn, which we finish diagonally to wall in a new line of dance, then natural weave from promenade position, and we finish this figure diagonally into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.